Alright, today we're going to be taking apart this broken Halloween doorbell. There's, whenever the batteries are put in it, it does nothing, it's dead. So, there's actually no batteries in it right now, but it does nothing when there's batteries put in, so we're just going to take this apart. I've actually taken this apart before, trying to fix it. The problem seems to be with the circuit board. That's inside there, so I'll go ahead and see. Now I'll show you what the inside looks like. I tested the battery connections. All the connections seem good. By the way, this doorbell is made by Toy State Industrial. So, I'm going to see if all the screws are out now. So, okay, so all the screws are undone. There's the inside of the doorbell. And you can see there's a little circuit board in there. If the camera focuses here. So you can see there's a little circuit board in there. There's actually probably 6 parts on this board. And really there's 4 resistors and 2 transistors on there. So one of them could be bad. But I think the board's just fried because it seems like something shorted out on it. I'm not sure what though. You can see, circuit board, speaker. There's actually a little lantern light up here, and these black wires go underneath the speaker to his eyes on the front. As you can see, there's a lantern and his eyes are underneath the speaker. So, still not sure what's wrong with it. Hopefully I can fix it and make a video of it when Halloween comes. So, this is a pretty old doorbell, so might be hard to find another one. So, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.